for The Best Life and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm hanging out in the kitchen with my favorite girl. We got Louise in the kitchen with us. Say hey everybody. Now today we felt like having a little bit of crazy milkshake, and why I call it crazy is because we're gonna use this Vitamix right here, and we're going to have a little bit of butter pecan ice cream. We're going to have some milk. We're gonna put a stick of Twix, and we're gonna be using the brand new lemon Oreo cookies. And we're gonna make ourselves a yummy, yummy milkshake. Alright guys, so let's see how yummy our milkshake is. And as you all know, the Vitamix is the brand used by Starbucks, Smoothie King, Dairy Queen. I don't know about Dairy Queen, but I know 100% Starbucks and Smoothie King. Zoom in on that. Yeah, baby. Let's taste. Oh my goodness. This is so good, y'all. This is so good. You gotta try it. Let me get another sip. Look, if you're at home and you have a Vitamix or any type of blender, a Ninja, whatever you have, you better break out some Oreo cookies, the lemon brand. You need to get yourself a Twix, all of the above, some milk, and throw that bad boy in your blender. And let me tell you, that's some good stuff. Well, that's it for today, guys. Remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah. Smooches until next time.